Been a long road to follow, been there